This is probably the coolest feature you'll find with your S Pen on your Galaxy S24 Ultra, and this is also available on the S22 or S23 Ultra phone. It's known as the S Pen to text. Basically, you can write into a search field with your pen. It turns into actual text, and you can use that to search. I'll show you how to go ahead and turn this on and give you an idea of how it works. On your S24 Ultra, you'll use the quick access and tap on the settings icon, this one right there. As you tap on that here one time, you'll go ahead and use the search bar and type in the words S Pen. It'll give you a suggestion of all the different S Pen settings, and for some odd reason, no matter which one you tap on, it'll take you to the same thing as always. You can always tap on the S Pen to text, and yep, it'll just show you where to go next. And as you tap on it here, you will get a view of how it works. Okay, so just make sure it's turned on by enabling this toggle here. And you also got this how to edit thing here, which gives you more ideas of how to go about using your S Pen to make edits. You can pause the screen or check it out yourself here. Now, once all that is said and done, let's go ahead and dive into a search bar here to give us an idea of how this works. Okay, so as you tap on the search bar using your S Pen here, you will notice this little icon here. You see this little floating icon right here will appear. And if it's your first time, there's this little quick prompt animation that's gonna play. Just let it play out. It'll show you how it works. And then when you're ready now, just go ahead now and just tap on the screen here. Make sure you have that little written icon there, that blue one there, if you can see it. And just start spelling out the words. Okay, I'm stuttering here. So it's gonna be display. So if I want to say display, right? Let's just say I'm typing in the words display, right? So I didn't finish typing the word, but it's gonna turn into the text as you can see. And once you have that thing there completed, all right, so let's just say I add a Y to it, it's gonna appear like that spaced out, but you can use the search here and it's gonna give you whatever it is that you spelled out there for you. So it's pretty awesome if you ask me, and if you're really good with the S Pen, you'll probably have better chances with this, unlike me, who most of the time I forget the S Pen exists. But awesome stuff there, and of course you can just go back and turn this feature off if you don't like it. Thanks for watching.